Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 90 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and all you have to do right now is simply to tap on the settings. But firstly, let's take a look at the keyboard actually. Let's take a look on the status bar. It is right now empty, and remember about that because it's quite important. So let's enter the settings, and on the very first position we've got the languages, and here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add keyboard here, and as you can see, we've just been transferred to all available languages from which we can choose. So actually this list is so wide, and I'm sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. So all you have to do is, as I said, find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. So I will pick Arabic. If you can choose the region, just tap on the one you'd like to use. Here you can choose the keyboards. Here we've got two different options to choose from. I will stick with this one. So let's tap on done simply, and we just got back to the list, and as you can see, the Arabic has been applied. So we can go back to the keyboard and let's take a look at it. And remember that I've told you that to take a look at the spacebar, and right now the spacebar is not empty, and here we've got the name of the language we are currently using. What's more, next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the languages. So right now I'm freely typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let's tap on it again, and the same situation, English. So actually this is how to add the new language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove additional language, because for some reason you do not need to have two different languages. So we have to go back to the settings right here. Let's tap on the languages again, and all you have to do is simply tap on this pencil icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the language you'd like to remove, mark it, and tap on this trash bin icon. And as you can see, we are left with the English again, so we can go back. And after taking a look at the keyboard, you can say that it just goes back to its very first state, so the spacebar is empty and you cannot see the globe icon. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi Mi 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.